Productions. You already know.
He's like hitting me again. It's like, I feel somebody in the room. Yo, check it. I go to put my drink down. The fucking shit spills over, bro. That shit was slanted, no lie. That shit was like this. So I go to clean up my mess and I hear this scratching sound behind me. Fucking rat this big, bro. I swear to God. Yo, I can't stand this shit. That shit blew my eyes. I couldn't concentrate on nothing else for the rest of the night, man. See, what happened was, when I was younger, my sister Debbie, she got bit by a rat. She was like 2 or 3 years old. Almost died from it. I didn't know it then, but I kept it locked up in the back of my head, like my subconscious, you know? So when this shit came out the bathroom already and shit, like, form is a motherfucker. Man, pussy was the furthest thing from my mind, man. Shit, yo, about time. Yo, here he comes.
Who?
My man, Tony the Tiger.
You sure?
I got eyes in the back of my head. 2020 Mike, that's me, baby. Plus, I know that look anyway. Yo, go look outside the window.
For what?
Somebody might have followed me. Go see if anybody on that side.
Fuck you. You wanna look? Go ahead and be my bitch.
Now, will you just stick your fucking head out the window and take a look?
Yeah, alright. Come on.
I don't see the use of all this high spot shit anyway. Fucking maniac already knows where we at.
Man, you don't know jack shit. Come on.
Yeah, it says you.
Yeah, it says me. See anybody?
There's 2 guys on the corner by the payphone.
Fuck, man.
What the fuck is taking your friend so long, man?
He's crossing the street. You don't see him.
You should get out of here, fucking my
Shut up. I'm trying to think of something, man.
Yo, while you doing that, I'm fucking bleeding like a stuck pig. My fucking head is killing me. I gotta take a fucking.
Sit the fuck down. Be quiet, you stupid fuck.
Fuck you! Fucking call me that other again!
Hey, shut up. I'm trying to think.
Well,
Okay?
think faster, assholes!
Yo, Mike! Yo, Mike! Hey, yo, Mikey! Hey, yo, Mike, you there?
Yo, I'm gonna go to the roof. I'm gonna check out the 2 guys by the payphone.
What? Come shoot. Why you leaving me here by myself?
Nah, you move around too much, man. You're gonna make yourself bleed more. You stupid.
Call me stupid one more fucking time.
Okay, look.
People be calling me that shit all my life.
Alright. I said I'm sorry. Jesus, sit tight. We'll be up on the roof. Shit.
Hey, yo, Mike! What's up, baby? Where you at?
I don't fucking like this shit, man. I don't fucking know this guy, Mike.
Yo, how many times I gotta tell you? You're a friend of mine, man.
You're fucking bullshit. You ain't no fucking friend of mine. Look.
Take the fucking piece back. Keep it out if you fucking want. Alright? Just don't fucking shoot him. Don't let him leave. And whatever you do, just let him fucking stay, alright?
Where you going? Why the fuck you gotta leave?
Billy, keep it out. Don't do anything stupid.
Yo, I'm not fucking stupid.
Okay, Mike. Answer me, Mike.
Answer him. What? Answer him.
Fuck that. Yo, Mike, come here. Mike, I don't fucking know this guy. Mike! I can't believe this one.
God damn, this place is fucked up.
Trick or treat, motherfucker!
Alright, cool.
Shut up! Stay on the freedom floor there, Slick. Nice and fucking easy.
Right here, okay, Chief?
Yeah, right there is just fine. Hey, yo, fucker, use your hand. Empty your pockets on the table, right there. And be careful.
Careful is my middle name, man. So long as you don't shoot the brothers, is all I'm saying.
As long as the brother keeps his hands where I can see them. Not a jacket.
No problem. The old lady makes me take this thing around. I hate carrying it around, but you know, keep on my back.
I don't give a fuck about your life story. Sit the fuck down there, okay?
Hey, yo, my man.
The fuck do you want?
Mike here?
Who gives a... How the fuck should I know?
And I hear 2 people
Who
up
gives a fuck what you heard?
just trying to make sure that I'm in the right fucking place. I just want to help the brother out. Yo, you alright, man?
I'm fine.
I mean, I know I don't know you or anything, but you look kind of like sick.
I'm fine. I just got a cold, is all. I'm fine.
Damn. Junkies done come up over here and fucked everything up. Fucking hate junkies. I mean, the place was always kind of funky, but it never looked this bad.
You been here before?
Oh yeah, me and Mike used to come here all the time.
Yo, keep your fucking hands up!
Got it hooked up pretty nice too.
Oh, so you know him, huh?
Oh, that's my motherfucking man. We go back like car seats, baby. Too much crime, too much time. Know what I'm saying?
Oh, Jesus. Well, I hope you two have a nice reunion.
Yo, my man.
What?
I put my hands down now.
Yeah, you can. But don't think I won't fucking shoot you just because you're a friend of Mike's.
Mikey?
Yeah, he's here. Except for you to stay here. Except for me to keep your hand until he comes back.
Yo, what's your name?
What the fucking friends?
What's your name, my man?
Torch.
Tony T. Nice to meet you.
Whatever.
Yo, my man. Haven't I seen you somewhere before?
Never.
You sure we never seen each other before?
Listen here, fucker, you ain't never seen me before, I ain't never seen you. You understand? I don't know you wanna fucking get to know you. I'll shoot you as soon as I could. Look at you, got it?
You the man. You the man, baby, you the man.
Yo, put your fucking hands behind your head. Yo, Mike! Mike! You don't fucking get down here, I'm putting one in your fucking homie.
Hey, yo, take it easy, bro.
Mike! The fuck down here, shut the fuck up! Fuck, man. Fuck! What happened, man? Yo, fuck, easy, baby, easy. Oh, shit, man. Fuck, man. Fuck me.
Just give me the gun, man. Give me the gun. That's it. Shit, man. Yo, you okay, bro?
Think your man had a little accident.
Shit.
I fucking pissed my pants, man.
Sorry, bro. Yo, go sit down over there for a second, okay, Billy?
2020, Mike.
Tony T. What's up, Bobby?
Baby.
What's up, man? Hey, yo, how's Max, man? How's Maxine, man?
This is cool. She was worried about you and your sister. What's up, baby?
Yo, fellas, I can use a hand over here.
Precious getting engaged just before next month.
Oh, he's already?
Yeah, so what's so important that my old lady had to call me from the job in order to come over here?
I'm sorry, man. I ain't know what to call, man. Yo, Max ain't mad, ain't she?
Nah, Max is cool. She's just worried about you and your sister.
My sister.
Your sister, Debbie? Debbie the dope head?
Shit. Right. Yeah, look, I'm sorry. See, man. Look, Debbie's fine, really. She's okay. This ain't about her.
I knew it! I knew you wouldn't have me come to this fucking dump if it wasn't for something serious. What's up, Mike?
Yo, fellas, I can use a hand over
Take
here.
it easy, Torch. Man, my situation's kind of fucked up, man. I ain't know what else to call. I ain't want to start no shit, man. That's all. Man, bro, it's good to see you, man. It's almost been 3 years, man.
Yeah. So I ain't here trying to find your sister?
Not exactly.
Fellas!
Yo, Torch.
Man, there was like 2 guys in the corner, you know, dealing, selling dope.
You sure they're not following you, man?
Nah.
Nah.
Mike,
Yeah.
we cool?
Yeah, we cool.
Alright, bet. You okay, Torch?
Fuck you! Fuck both of you, cocksuckers! You sitting over there bleeding to fucking death. I'm my own piss for Christ's sake.
Yeah, I think I got old sweats in my ride downstairs. Like, we can get it and I get you out of the pissy pants. Get you
Yeah.
up.
What the fuck you waiting for then? Go get them shits.
Motherfucker, man.
Yo, you guys okay?
Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
Something sweet, some cigarettes too.
Yeah, I got you.
Yo, maybe something to clean up his hands, man. Pretty fucked up.
Alright, cool. Yo, Mike, what the fuck happened?
You try to beat somebody, you ran into a little problem, that's all, man.
You try to beat somebody? Who?
You don't want to know.
Manny Rivera, that's who the fuck, boo. You beat him for 3 keys and slaps.
George, I thought we said we were gonna keep that to ourselves, man.
Half the city knows by now, man.
Manny Rivera? For how many keys?
3. It was supposed to be 4, and we lost one in the process.
You know, you got a lot of nerve talking all that shit after what you did to that kid, man.
Don't fucking start this shit, man.
Man, you fucking shot at me, I can't believe it, man.
Yo, what's fucking done is done,
You're
man.
fucking stupid, I can't.
Alright. Whoa. 3 keys? Manny Rivera? What the fuck were y'all thinking? Mike, you know you done fucked up, right?
Yeah, tell me about it.
Yo, the next time you call me fucking stupid,
Manny Rivera, Mike, you two stupid motherfuckers, you won't be no next time.
Yo, Mike, I don't feel so good, man.
I want you to stop moving around so much, bro. You talk me back in a minute. Let me see that hand.
No.
Jesus, you're sweaty and shit, man.
Man, let go of my arm, for Christ's sake.
No, let me see that hand.
No, man, leave it alone.
Let me see.
It'll be fine. Leave it the fuck
Put
alone.
it in your pocket, it's gonna get infected, man. Fuck. Okay, leave it in your pocket. Bleed to death. Stupid.
Next time you call me fucking stupid, man. I'm gonna throw you a beating that you won't fucking forget.
Yeah, alright, with one hand, she gets it back better enough to get Grand Green. Probably cut the shit right off.
Oh, come on.
Alright, fine, that's what gosh, give him all this fucking that shit falls off.
No, it's not. Ain't gonna fucking fall off. It's just a scratch.
Hold up a minute. What the fuck? Yo! I was just there a minute ago.
Who?
The 2 guys.
Where are you?
I don't know, man. Fuck. Where they gone, man?
What about your best friend? Across the fucking place.
He's gone. I'm gone.
I don't want to bring this up, man. I think I've seen him somewhere before.
Tony?
I've seen him.
You sure?
Positive.
Are you positive?
I don't remember. I have to think about it.
How do you forget somebody like Tony?
Man, don't worry about it, man. Just give me some time and I'll fucking remember. One thing I know for sure, I don't fucking like him.
You were like me, neither one of my me, somebody else.
Stop calling me that.
Sorry, bro.
Yo, stop fucking calling me that too! Jesus, I don't know your fucking mouth and you're already like the biggest pain in my ass I've ever had my whole fucking life.
I mean, shit, that's only natural seeing as me and you got the same
Fucking father. Look. What me and you got in common, I don't want to talk about. What I want to talk about right now is man frosted flakes. Oh, what's the difference? You know we're talking about the same person, right?
Yeah, right. What about him?
How do you know we can trust him? Huh? How do you know that we can fucking trust this guy? How do you know he won't rat us out?
Nah, he won't do that, man. He's only got too much time for that.
You keep saying that. Fucking big deal.
I'm sure, baby. I'm sure. Shit, man. Y'all's in hand, man. Let me see it.
You really think they'll fucking cut it off?
Nah, man. Let me see. Shit, bro. I lost a lot of blood, man.
Oh yeah? Should see the other guy.
Yo, don't move, man. Come on,
Mike! Just my fucking pinky, bro.
man.
Chill.
Moving, man. Shit, get up and be alive. I'm feeling like crazy, man. Hey, shit. Stop moving, man. Shit.
Stop fucking pulling on my hand, man.
Stop fix it, man. Shit. Yo, one drop in your fucking blood, man. I swear to God.
What the fuck are you afraid of, huh? Afraid you might catch something? I'm gonna test it more times than I can fucking count.
Yeah? Me too.
Oh, great. I guess that makes us one big fucking family, huh?
Yeah, I guess so. Yo, man, I'm sweating bullets, man. Let's get this hoodie off you, man. Come on, son. What's your name, bro? Sit tight, man.
Hey, yo, Mike.
What?
You ain't gonna tell nobody peed on myself, would you?
Man, you just piss your pants, man. Shit, bro, go ahead, lay down, man. I'll be back in a minute.
Too much crime shit, bro.
Like I said, man, too much crime, too much time. It's funny we ended up being friends anyway. We're supposed to have this big ass fight when we first met.
A word? I'd pay money to see you get your ass kicked.
That was some foolishness in this word.
Hey, I would still pay.
Shit, you and the guy who started it. Fucking Garnett. He's a little guy with a big mouth. Always running his mouth like he was the shit. I don't know, man. See, what happened was, it was the 8th grade, a couple of days before school got out for the summer. He was in the bathroom with my boys, smoking cigarettes at the lunch period, right? Fucking Garnett comes in with his boys wearing this brand new leather jacket, talking all this shit about him robbing from some dude, how he did this, that, and the third to the guy. I'm blowing smoke out the window, minding my own business, and I don't know, man. I just can't take it no more. I mean, every single day this guy walking into the bathroom talking shit like it's alright. I mean, somebody had to put him in his place. Shit. I mean, I don't know if it was just because it was the last couple of days of school or because it was just really hot. Sure. Let me tell you, I hate them last couple of days of school with a passion, man. Yo, anyway, so I said to him, what's the big deal, man? It's only a leather jacket. What I do that for? Everybody in the bathroom wants to get quiet. Fucking Garnett got the crazy look on his face like, you say to me? Next thing I know, motherfucker all up in my face talking about how he gonna kick my ass if I don't shut up, mind my business. Shit, I picked up this motherfucker, threw him head first into the toilet. This motherfucker didn't know what the shit was going blind. That ain't stopping from running his mouth though. My cousin Tony gonna fuck your ass up. Oh yeah, you gonna grab and messing with me. My Tony done with you. Go ahead. Get your cousin Tony. Tell him meet me in Prosper Park tomorrow. I'm throwing fucking beating and never fucking forget. Shit, so next day, I go to the park with my boys, wait for his cousin Tony to show up. Ain't no. So I'm thinking, what the fuck is mine as usual? So I'm coming back to my hood. And I know everybody around my way talking about how this guy named Tony looking for me. I was into this kung fu karate type shit, and I would beat up on some of the homicides in Coney Island. Yo, these motherfuckers was the baddest motherfuckers in Brooklyn, man. Sure. So I'm shook now. Sure, I swear to God, I'm bugging out, got my switchblade in my hand. I'm looking all over the hood for this guy. I checked Pino's Pizzeria, Greasy Jenks, Hank's Joint, Carvel, nothing. I'm standing in this corner right across the street from Danny's Candy Bar, and I see this guy staring at me. I look at him, but look in his eyes, I can tell it's him. So he looks at me and he says, Mike? I said, yeah. You told me? He said, yeah. So now I got my hand in my pocket, praying to God I pull this switchblade out before it commences to kung fu my ass to the ground. Next thing I know, he's like, you wanna go for a walk? I told my mother, I don't know to this day why I did, but I says, fuck it. Yeah, why not? So we start walking and talking about Garnett and shit, how much of an asshole he is. It's like, I mean, we complete strangers, but we not. Yo, we've been like that ever since, man. We ate at each other's houses. Wherever you saw him, you saw me. Forget about it, man. My mom's probably practically adopted my little sister Debbie, man. She loved her. Senior year, we got tired of going to school. Dropped out, started doing crime. No stick-up shit, none of that grabbing, snatch and grab shit. Straight up flim-flam, money-making scam. Tony was the muscle, I was the mouthpiece. Drive motherfuckers blind all year, man. Made mad paper, mad money. Got busted. Did a bullet in Rikers Island. Spent a whole 18 months locked up with this motherfucker, man. I don't even know how I did it, but I used to recite this poem all the time. Crazy jailhouse poetry, man. But shit really got me through, bro. Gave me the strength I needed to hang in there, do what I gotta do. After we got out, Maxine had pressures. She named me Godfather, man. Me. Damn, I can't believe it's been 4 years, man. I ain't seen him rolling on 3. Nah, no way, man. Rollins, no way he got us out, man. That's my motherfucker shit. Too much crime, too much time. You know what I'm saying, Torch? Torch? Yo, Torch, wake up, man. Yo, come on, man. Oh, shit.
Slipping on the shit and puffing the dough. Strobe light effect, everything's moving slow. Slipping through the deeps on the sound of the phone. Bring me home, stagger to my feet, and motion to the flow. So what up, nigga? Check out this proposition. Yeah, it's money to me, and I'm in the mood to go fish. Whatever they go. Baby, time to wash my ass. My evidence, you know they running from the down. You gotta do this, I'm on my way in the car. Cause when I get there, you'll be out of my time.
Kid, man. Fucking kid. He wasn't gonna shoot first, man. I'm telling you, he was bluffing, man. He was scared.
I tell you he was, man. He would have blew my fucking brains out. Shot his both in Silver State if I hadn't got the drop on him.
Man, that's all you had to do was get the drop on him, man. Shit, all you had to do was come into the room, put the briefcase down in front of the guy, and that's it. But you couldn't do that, could you? Couldn't do that anyway. You had to shoot him anyway. You had to shoot a fucking kid, man.
What the fuck did you expect?
Man, you so fucking stupid, man. I can't believe I let you do me to this shit.
That's the last time you called me fucking stupid. Next time you call me stupid,
What the fuck you gonna do, man? Get the fuck out of my face, punk. You don't do no gun in your hand. I ain't no kid, I'm a man.
Hey! Sit the fuck down, the both of you. Yo, Torch, sit down, man. I ain't playing. Yo, Mike, you better check yourself. Go stick your head out the window, man. Now.
Faggot asshole.
Hey, yo, shut the fuck up. Yo, Mike, I need to get the picture, man. I need you to tell me what happened, man.
Fuck you, man.
Yo, just be quiet. Just be, yo. Be quiet. Yo, talk to me, Mike. Tell me what happened.
Alright. Got to the Chelsea Hotel around 4 o'clock. Case joint, you know? Like we used to do back in the day when we friend-planned over the walls. We rented a room on the 3rd floor, came back down, right out the ball from 9th Street with a show. Supposed to be up like at 5:30, but around about 5 o'clock, we saw Young Cash show that I never seen before. Young Cash, man, real young.
Baggy clothes and hats in the back. Straight up stick up kids.
I told Torch to go up to the 3rd floor and wait for the call. Then I caught the elevator and rode up to the 14th floor with the sticker kid. I couldn't believe him, man. He was baby. He was never handling that kind of weight when we was that age, man. These niggas riding on the elevator with 4 kilos of heroin. And they looked like they were still on their mama's ticket. Anyway, I got to the 14th floor, they broke left, I broke right. I could feel them clocking as I walked down the hallway, but I ain't looked back, I just kept it pushing. I heard him turn the key in the lock and close the door, and boom! 2020 told me what room it was, right?
Fucking guy got eyes in the back of his head.
Yeah. He was out the hallway checking every room door for noise, just to make sure. When I got to 1406, I could hear him next door. They turned the TV up full blast as soon as they got in. Couldn't believe, man, he was sending such young, dumb motherfuckers to do his work. I figured they'd make the job easier, though. So I knocked on the door, they let me in, frisked me, asked what I got with me, that type of shit. I asked him to see the product, and they bring out the briefcase, he showed it to me. 4 keys, just like it was supposed to be. I asked him to turn the TV down while I called my man to put the volume on. So we waited for Torch, and I could see him start to get a little bit nervous, so I tried to make a little light conversation, you know? Trying to tell them how professional they are. Our man is always bringing up new talent. I He's a real stand-up guy. It's a pleasure doing business. Down a little bit. Unfortunately, not to him though. The kid who let him in was a little surprised to see how we was together. But he checked himself when he told him you had Manny's money.
Let me tell you something. When he talks some bullshit,
That's exactly why the shit went wrong, man. You wasn't cool. You walked in there all sweaty with your drawers all tight.
the guy was fucking reaching for his piece, Mikey. What the fuck was I supposed to do?
You spoke to him, man. Look, I'm saying it's your fault. I know when you put the briefcase down, he reached into his jacket.
Yeah, that's right.
But if you had just chilled, all you had to do was chill. Just stay cool. You would have never fired on this, man.
You don't fucking know that.
I do know. I know because I've done it. You and Tony done it plenty of times. We made over 150 grand in less than a year. Running the same flint flop on lots of people, man.
Yeah, but you got busted though.
Anyway, I saw the kid reach into his pocket. I didn't think he'd bring it out, man. I swear to God, I didn't. I saw Torres going for his. And I don't know what to do, man. So I just grabbed the briefcase from the guy that I was holding it, man. We were standing there fighting for it for like 5 minutes. Next thing I know, Torch and the kid started shooting.
Shit was like some kind of Twilight Zone, man. You should have seen it. Bullets was flying. Blood was everywhere. I must have shot this kid like 5 fucking times. Fucking couldn't see nothing through all the smoke. The whole thing smelled like gunpowder. Didn't even know I was shot at first. I thought like something burned me.
Okay. Then what happened?
The briefcase came open and me and the guy was fighting for it. How we worked with the 4 keys.
Man, chill. I tried to save that key, man, but it was mixed up with the shooting blood and whatnot. Fucking tasted like some high quality shit, though.
So we grabbed the rest of this shit and got the fuck out of it. Caught the train out to Far Rockaway.
I should have shot that other kid, Mike. He seen this. He might have asked out.
See what I'm talking about? Fucking crazy, Torch. You know that?
Yo, man, I'm not fucking sorry for what I did. This fucking kid almost shot my fucking hand off. He did? No. Let's do or die. I did, he died. That's it.
He's fucking crazy, man. I can't believe I let myself get into this shit, man.
So now,
I don't know. That's why I called you.
you're telling me you beat somebody like Manny Rivera, and you ain't got no getaway plan.
We did, man. Fucking Freddy. He's supposed to meet us up afterwards in Far Rock. We're supposed to link up after. Catch a plane. Get the fuck out of Dodge.
Let me tell you something. We waited an hour and a half for this motherfucker at the train station in Fall Rock.
Fucking Freddy, man.
Don't worry about it, man. I'm gonna fucking take care of it.
You ready to kill somebody, man?
Wait. Freddie,
$9.
fucking Freddie 9 Lives? I don't wonder why that motherfucker didn't show up, man. We never trusted that motherfucker before. What makes you think we can trust him now?
I know. Look, I know you never liked him. We used to get all our flip-flam victims from him, man.
Yeah, but didn't you ever stop to think what would it take for him to set us up? I mean, didn't you even like wonder maybe that it was him that dropped the dime on us when we went over there to Rikers?
Yeah, but I mean, all them lawyers and models and people like that, he used to set up for us to pick, man. Come on, man. He must have robbed like 40, 50 people in the same day. They had descriptions and whatnot in every precinct downtown. Remember what the chief told us when he booked us?
Yeah, he said we've been very busy. But I wouldn't have taken 9 lives worth of shit, especially about Manny.
Why not? Everything is the way it was supposed to fucking be. Time, the hotel, the drugs. Everything is like the way it's supposed to be. Except for this fucking shit.
Did he know he used to work for Manny?
No.
9 lives. Started working for Manny after we got out of Rikers. Stupid, but you remember when you heard about those 2 Jamaicans that tried to kill that motherfucker?
Yeah, that's when he got shot in the ass. I never forget that shit.
Well, I heard it wasn't no Jamaicans. I heard it was Manny.
Get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, yo, 9 Lives was selling jumbos and talking shit over there at Tompkins Square, putting all kinds of Manny's business out there. Now everybody and their mother know that Manny Rivera don't play that shit. So he eased up on him one night and pop! Right there in his ass. I don't blame him. I guess he wanted to kill him too, but you know Manny's a superstitious kind of person, so, you know, he figured if everybody and their mama tried to kill 9 Lives and they managed to do it, he ain't gonna use him fucking with him.
say Manny tried to kill 9 Lives. He said it was Jamaican. Big fucking deal. Guy's still fucking alive, right?
Yeah. He ain't even invented the kind of shit that can kill 9 Lives.
Where you know this?
Around.
The fuck you mean around?
Around. You know. Around.
No, I don't know around. Around the corner, around the block, around Christmas time, huh?
Hey, what's your problem?
Oh, yeah, no, George.
No problem, bro. I just want to know where the fuck he heard about 9 Lives. You said he wasn't about that life no more, right? So how the fuck does he know?
Yeah. Yo, Tony, where you hear all this, man?
Come on, Mike. You know the deal, man. I go to the city sometimes with Max. She likes the shops and the restaurants and whatnot. I see people from back in the day. I hear things.
Yeah, you hear things now. You hear that, Mr. Williams?
What?
A fucking rat is what? Right here!
Yo, what you talking about, George?
What the fuck is wrong with you, man? With 2020 ain't working? I told you I see your man somewhere before.
You sure?
A positive.
Positive?
Absolutely positive.
Where?
Washington Square Park. But you wasn't with your old lady, was you?
You know I was with Punk!
Yo, fellas, hold the fuck up. Somebody tell me what the fuck is wrong.
He's wrong, Mike. That's wrong. I seen him and Manny in the park dealing for fucking 9 Lives. Who's fucking stupid now?
Mike, I can explain, man. Mike, I can explain.
Yo, Tony. You work with Manny, man?
Nah, not anymore, man.
What the fuck does that mean, not anymore? Not anymore.
As in before, not now, stupid.
Fucking that CrossFit.
Relax, man. What the fuck is your problem, son?
What the fuck is my problem? What the fuck are you talking about?
Yo,
This motherfucker guy was just working for Manny, and you're asking me what the fuck is my problem?
take it easy, George. Take it easy, man. Shit, yo, look, you're right. We gotta figure something out right now, alright? You gotta be cool, man. You gotta be cool. Look at you. You all sweaty and shit. Sit down, man. Just be cool, man. Tony says he ain't working for Manny no more, right? See?
Yeah.
But like he was. You know Freddie was working for him, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I get it. So I'm confused because I know I ain't seen you in 2 or 3 years, but you don't have to tell me nothing like this.
Like, you just gotta let me explain, man. I just wanna, like...
I remember coming over to Jersey a couple of times. I mean, Precious got baptized and all that. You was telling me you was out for like, you had quit dealing.
All of that's true, man, except
what? Except he's a fucking liar!
man, you just gotta let me explain.
Tony, tú sabes que yo lo amo como mi sangre, man. Like, if you was my blood. But motherfucker, if you lying to me, I swear to God I'll kill you.
Mike, it's me, man. Just let me explain.
Man, stop fucking around and tell me the truth. You work for Manny or not?
No, not anymore. I used to.
Not anymore. What the fuck does that mean, not anymore? Fuck this guy, Mike. Fuck him. I said we get his car keys. No. Shoot him. Fuck out the time for this fucking head.
Man, hold up.
What the fuck you waiting for, Mike? Shoot him.
Hey, yo, go check outside, see if the 2 guys are still there, man. They still there?
You bet your ass, Mr. Williams.
Answer.
Hello? Yeah. He's right here.
Listen up, mother. Max? How you doing, girl? Nah, we ain't found it yet. Nah, we still looking, man. Nobody's seen it. Precious? What's wrong? Oh, right, trick or treat, that's right. Look, Max, I'm sorry, man. Debbie's my sister, you know, I love her. I gotta find her. But please don't be mad at me, Max. I didn't know who else to call. Yeah. Yeah, Tony gonna be back in a few, alright? Alright. Okay, man.
Hello? Yeah, baby. Yeah, I know. I know. Max! Max! I gotta go. I love you. I did.
You sound good, bro. Sound the same.
Same old Max.
Oh, so what? This old fucking lady calling me. That nigga's not working for me.
You gotta stay cool, bro.
Man, fuck being cool, man.
Look. Talk to me, D.
Alright.
Man, keep your fucking hands up.
Alright.
Tell me something, man.
Alright. I was working for Manny after we got out of Rikers. Me and 9 Lives were slinging jumbles over there in Washington Square. I didn't like being around them. But you know, business is business. So, after a while, me and 9 Lives been working for about a year, and it seemed like crack was going down for the count. More and more people would come into the park to score dope. It didn't bother me none because I had already built up a good clientele. But 9 Lives, he could never stop going on about how Manny was gonna move out of the dope game and into crack. He could never stop talking about how much money he was gonna be making and how Manny was gonna give him his own franchise over there in Jersey. So, you know me, Mike. I kept my mind on my own shit. I didn't think about him at all. I look up one day though, and I hear that Manny transferred 9 Lives over there to Washington Square. Not long after that is when he got shot in the ass. I had already been thinking about getting out of the life because Max was pregnant with Precious, and I just didn't. I wanted to be around to see my firstborn. You know what I'm saying? I told Manny about my situation, and it was cool. He said, "Do what you gotta do." So I took my little bit of chump change that I made from slinging them rocks, and I stepped the fuck off on my little storefront over there in Jersey. Bought me some washing machines, some dryers, and I got out. Gotta believe me, Mike. I had no further conversations with Manny, 9 Lives, or anybody else in the life except you. The only reason why I didn't tell you, man, is because I didn't want you to be disappointed in me. I swear to God, Mike, no lie.
Word is bond?
Word is wrong.
Oh, what a fucking fairy tale! Don't believe it, Mike. It's on his own ass.
You don't have to trust me.
What? Why?
Because I say so.
Mike, he used to work for me.
Man, what you want me to do, man?
You already got one bird of beef hanging over your head. I don't want to be the second.
The night is young, motherfucker.
Look, you don't have to trust him, alright? You gotta think. Maybe he's telling the truth.
Yeah, maybe, but no.
Man, yo, listen, come on, man. You gotta think, man. Yo, look. I'm not telling you half my life. He says he quit, man. I believe it.
Plus, if I was working for Manny, you two think that you'd be alive this long?
Yeah, maybe, bro.
Ain't no maybes about it.
No, talk, man. You just gotta calm down.
Alright,
Go check outside the window. See if our 2 friends are still there.
alright. We'll do it your way for now. Excuse me.
I'm sorry, man.
Pointed a gun at my head. Like, me, man.
I know, man. I know. I'm sorry. I just got scared from you.
I don't want none of your fucking apologies. I just want to get you 2 guys out of here. Supposed to be out trick-or-treating with my little girl instead of fucking around with you 2 guys.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, Tom. Yo, Torch, you see anybody?
2 guys are still about to pay for.
Doesn't leave us much time. What are we gonna do?
I don't know, man. Look, you said you used to work for Manny, right? Maybe he could try and, like, give us an idea about what he's gonna do about us or something.
And And there's probably like 15, 20 guys out there looking for you right now.
Think you got a contract on it?
Nah, he got too much pride for that shit. Got too much of the freedom. Trying to come in here and try to kill you himself.
Fuck, I think he's Tony fucking Montana.
You gotta get out of here.
Man, and do what, man? I don't know what the fuck. I'm lost right now, man. I'm here with 3 years, man. Brothers over there with his hand all fucked up and shit. What you want me to do, man?
Yo, Torch, you okay, my man?
Yeah, fine. Fucking cold like that, so fine.
So, Nine Lives tell you who the buyer was? Who Dope was supposed to be?
Some new jack from uptown.
Well, if it wasn't your idea, whose idea was it? Was it Nine Lives?
No, it was my idea.
Figures.
What the fuck is that supposed to be?
What you mean, Torch?
How's your cold, my man?
Fuck you!
No, fuck with me. How's your cold, junkie?
What the fuck is you talking about? You don't believe him, Mike. He's a fucking liar, man. Don't fucking believe him.
Yeah, man, what you talking about? You know, junkie, man, you got a cold.
It's 60, 75 degrees out there, and his nose is running like a fucking V8 engine. Fucking stupid ass junkie.
Yo, fuck this dude, man. I ain't got no tracks, man. No fucking tracks.
Right? Check his feet.
For what, man? What the fuck's going on, man?
Fuck, man. Fuck off me, man.
Mike, check his feet! I swear to God, I ain't telling him a lie, man.
Ah, man. Fuck. Fuck. The fuck off me, man.
What are you gonna do about it, junkie?
Ah. Fuck.
Shit.
Get him off me, Mike. Get him off me.
Say please, junkie!
Yo, leave him the fuck alone, Tony.
Ah, man.
Fuck everybody in my family gotta be a dog sick junkie, man.
Shit. Sorry you have a brother like this.
Half brother, you fucking prick.
Let alone one that was, you know. Sorry, Mike.
Yeah, me too. Story of my fucking life.
A lot of you guys might be surprised at what I'm about to say. And you want to know who's this guy that talks so sly and where did he learn to play? Well, I'm about to tell of the way that I failed and the dirty trick that they played on me. These are swinging sounds that I'm laying down so you will dig my history. Last New Year's nights, when the whole scene shone bright and the gamers were stalking their prey, the cold was pure crime under the neon lights, and the tricks were doomed to pay. Suddenly, crime begun as soon as daughters met sons. Some of them was only 5 years old. You know, there's been many a night that I had to settle off by some old molded road. Wayward daughters for dollars and quarters did sell their youthful selves. And in the morning they woke to find their hearts near broke, crying themselves to death. While the junkies prowl with a tiger's growl in search of that much needed blow. And the winos cringe on a candy binge to find their deaths in the snow. While bells of vice sell love full price and even the law gets corrupt. You keep on trying, nevertheless dying like Jim with a bitter cup. But the Jungle Creed said that the strongest feed had any prey at hand. And I was branded beast at every feast before I ever became a man. I was young, and I was prancy, pot was my fancy, and I was known as the adequate male. Oh, how I cursed the motherfucking day that I made my play for that sidewalk Jezebel. She was a brown-skinned mole like a China doll walking the path of sin. Up and down she trod with a wink and a nod, and I knew this bitch I had to win. Now it wasn't by chance that I caught a glance, for I intended to steal this day. And as she giggled at me, I jumped with glee and I said it's time for Old Slim to game. Under the neon lights, her eyes shone bright and from them a teardrop fell. When I asked her why she cried, she begins to tell this bitter tale. All about some guy that blinks her eyes and takes all the money she gets. When she lands in jail, he won't get a bail and advise her to call it quits. I said, baby, dry them tears, have no fear, for the yet tender kind young lover is here. And I'm staking a claim on all parts of the game and I'm vowing to have no peers. Well, she looked up at me like a slave set free and said, I'll be your woman. And I left with her. Her man did instead. Shit, I knew I had me one. Now we came to the bitter end. from the east to the west. I better hope I have yet to know this here dog is a man's best friend. Now she ran with the best from the east to the west, like when a boosting hand came down. Many a chunk I left in the dumps as we stole out of all them towns. Now I laid and I played up the bread this bitch made. From the coast to old Broadway. My habits were small, but my money was tall. I really made this business pay. But you know how some bitches cry about the wind being high and the cops being on their trail, about the snow and the sleep being asshole deep and all the pimps can go to hell? Sitting in greasy spoons in jukebox saloons, wasting nothing but time, sucking on beers, crying hard luck tears, while the pimps ain't got a dime. Just sitting in bullshit, sucking the party pricks, nodding so tough behind stuff that they missed all the righteous tricks. While you can laugh their lid for the lowest bid and set that young ass on fire, the cheapest young girl you could buy, digging that cunt for a solid month. While it's dope, it's doing all the pimping. But not this AAA broad of mine. She was a sex machine that could walk between raindrops come typhoons. Blizzard or gale, she stand on a hot brick just to turn the trick. Man, she messed with creeps, freaks, toenail freaks, breeds I can't even name. Eskimos, Negroes, Jews, Apaches, Psyops. To her it was all the same. Anywhere she would follow that righteous dollar to hell if she had to go. And be there waiting just to trick with Satan. She really was money making home. While you could lap her lid on the lowest bid, the tricks did fight a duel. Of course, so long as bread was made by head and gin. How that bitch could chew. The sun didn't set when the cunt wasn't wet, and how all doors did swing. Many a nut got bust in this girl's butt because the rat didn't mean a thing. All my troubles began when I stopped snorting and commenced to hit. And you know how that goes. I shot up more bread than any one bitch could get. I sold my shack, my Cadillacs, and the rugs from up off my floor. I stole from Mom, I stole from Pa, and I shot up all that though. My woman cried and damn near died when I went off with a mink. But I stayed in my role. I stole and I sold everything but the kitchen sink. Same as you're gonna remember to tell me about your boy.
Shit, man, that's just embarrassing, man.
Embarrassing, huh? You two have a good night.
Yo, no, I'm not telling you, I'm telling you, man, it's my mother, I'm telling you the whole shit. Hey, alright. I had to quit this bullshit job I had in the phone sales.
Chill. It was phone sex. 976.
The whole police and whatnot. So, I should have known right then and there what was happening, but I guess I was so pissed off, my 2020 wasn't working right. So he takes me to the interrogation room and starts giving the drill. Bang, date of birth, that type of shit. That's when it hits me, bro. They had run an NCIC check on me and I hadn't gone to see my probation officer in like 2 months. I guess after 2 years in the street, I started taking my freedom for granted. So, he tells me that they had issued a warrant for me. They had to lock me up. But I wasn't even the worst part. On my way to the holding cell, I hit a sergeant and saw the cop making jokes about how I'm the second Michael Williams they booked in 2 days. So,
You bullshit.
I'm bored. So when I get to the holding tank, I see 15 other guys there, plus this motherfucker right here. I was positive it was anybody but him. That is until the sergeant said, "Hey, Mr. Williams, I want you to meet somebody. Say hello to your twin brother." Shit was embarrassing, bro.
You know fucking dead to be some
You see me laughing?
Hold on. What's your real name, George?
Michael William Murphy Jr.
And you're Michael Williams Leon. Ain't that a bitch? God damn.
What the fuck is so funny,
Yeah,
man?
Tony, man, this shit ain't funny.
I'm just saying. You two are brothers. That's beautiful.
Man, what the fuck? Man, you know how that shit make you feel.
I'm sorry, fellas, wait. Oh, all right. Did you guys know about each other? I mean, at all? What about you, Mike? You know about him?
Yeah, I heard my father. I heard about him.
I heard about, my mother used to always complain about how my father knocked up some bitch in the fucking East New York projects.
You're killing for what he did to me and my mother, man.
Your mother? You and your mother? At least you had to fucking live with her. At least you had to stay up at night for all the fucking screaming and hollering that went on anytime you came home soaked to the gills. At least you had to hear your mother cry herself to bed at night because it was safe for her to lock him out and never let him in. At least you had to watch your motherfucking fall in the sadness because he knocked at some poor bitch in the fucking projects.
Yo, whoa, hold on, listen. You can say whatever the fuck you want to say about my pops, man. You disrespected my mother at all, you heard?
What the fuck, man? You thought she was the only one? You thought she was something special? You don't think there's maybe 200-300 Michael Williams somethings walking around the tri-state area right now? You call me fucking stupid.
It's fucked up.
Let me tell you something about your old man. When I was in high school, I was a complete ignorant fucking Ramus when it came to reading, writing, and arithmetic. But I always got good grades in math. You know why? Old man was fucking the math teacher. That's right. Mrs. Del Vecchio. Man, she had the best set of tits I ever seen in my whole fucking life, man. She was like this. I spent so much time watching them shits fall and rise every time she took a deep breath. Forget about it. I gave a marvelous fuck about some adding and subtracting. All I wanted to do was multiply. I never paid too much attention when we were supposed to be doing in class. Anyway, Mr. Vecchio calls up my parents, talk about having a conference about my fucking grades. My pops come through, we all go to Mr. Deavy's office, the guidance counselor. So sitting there with me, Mr. Vecchio, my pops, and Mr. D. I'm sitting there putting on my best Father, please forgive me face, praying to Jesus, Mary, and Joseph that I escaped from this without taking a fucking beating. And after about 15, 20 minutes of conversation with Mr. Vecchio about my grades, my attention span, my behavior, whatever, Mr. Vecchio was all like, could you and Mr. D step outside, please, so I can have a word with Mr. Williams? We left. As soon as we were on our way back to the classroom, Mr. Davis starts going in, starts talking about I need to get my act together, talking about my grades, fucking with me because I'm hanging out with the riffraff after school. Only thing I'm thinking about is this ass whipping I'm getting come 3 o'clock. So I make it down to the classroom. She's gone for like 30, 45 minutes. I remember because the 5th period bell rang and all that. When she finally hit the door, this woman was always the uptight broad. Always had her hair up in a, pinned up in a bun. And when she came in, she floated in. Hair going down to her shoulders, moving all crazy. She had that well fucked look, you heard? It took me too long to realize that he was banging on the regular on the side. She was looking at me all nice, and I handed in a bum-ass test, which I knew I was gonna fail. I never did. Only thing she said to me for the rest of the year was, "Thank you, Mr. Murphy." It broke my mother's heart. And because I knew, I could never look at her in the eyes. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and tell you that he didn't give you a hard way to go. And me and my mother put up more of this bullshit on a day-to-day basis than you could ever fucking imagine. Mike, I don't feel so fucking
Come on.
Mikey, man. Just let me have a taste, man.
Nah, I'm sorry, bro. It's already bad enough as it is.
Mikey, man, you gotta do something.
Nope.
I'm tired.
Nope.
Nobody use the taste, man.
Man, yo, Tony, you stay out of this. Between me and my brother, alright?
I thought it was your half brother.
Whatever. Man, look. Me and Torch stole that shit so we could make some money off of it and push it around. We ain't saying nothing about shooting it, did we, Torch?
No. No. But I'm fucking sick, man.
I hate this shit, man.
The champ is here.
Double up.
Ride out.
Inquiring minds wanna know. Everybody wanna blow. Every nigga that hustle wanna owe. Every R&B diva's a freak on the low. Take a real special nigga to grind and get it slow. Most dudes get caught in their feelings and react off emotions. Then it results in killing. See me, I'm strictly about my bread. Niggas and family, everything else is dead. After the state, everything else is feds. After the hawk, everything else is lead. Outside of the Bentley coupe, it's milk white and chrome stocks. Everything else is red. Yeah, kiss shit blazing. Now cop your new shit. I hated the song.
I still don't see why he's gotta have it, man. Man, all you gotta do is make it downstairs, man.
And then what, man? Barely fucking stand as it is, man.
Yo, you just gotta hold on to me, man. Just make it downstairs and then maybe you can
Well,
walk.
then what, man? I can't walk right now. You gonna fucking walk for me? It's like, man, for Christ's sake.
Yo, come on, son. All you gotta do is just hold on to me, alright? Look, just give me a hand. We'll go downstairs. We'll go to the train, alright?
No, man, I can't do this right now. You can't do it.
Yeah, he ain't gonna die, but you're gonna wish he was if you don't get straight to him.
Man, it still don't make sense in putting that poison in his fucking body, man.
You might as well. He ain't gonna get no better no time soon. Plus, we've been here for almost 24 hours. When was the last time you fixed?
It's been more than 24 hours, man. I have to take it. Yo, just let me have to take it, Mikey.
Mikey, you ain't got time to play no Florence Nightingale while he kicks.
Alright, fine. Go ahead. Put that fucking poison in your body, man. See if I can. You only my half brother anyway. I don't wanna fuck that shit like anything to me.
You're not gonna fucking regret it.
Man, don't ever fucking call me brother again, man.
I'm sorry, bro. Man.
You fucking hurt me.
I'm sorry, Mikey. I won't call you nothing that you won't ever call me to again. This man, yo, man, so it's just that, yo.
What the fuck's the matter with you, man?
I just wanted to thank you for letting me take care of my chippy, man.
Why you doing this for me for, huh? Where's my sister Debbie now? This shit?
Come on, baby, you got yours, right?
Yo, T.
Yeah.
Yo, I got an idea.
Yeah.
Why don't you call Manny? See if he can cop us a plea.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Why not? You said you was cool with him when you wanted to get out of life.
Yeah, but that was different. I was working for him. I didn't try to rip him off. Besides, what the fuck am I gonna say? Hey, yo, man, what up? Yo, you remember those two guys that stole your dope? Yeah, one of them was my old-time running pal, and the other one happens to be his long-lost brother. Yeah, I don't think so.
Fuck, man. Fucking hand is fucked up, man. Can't fucking do this shit. I'm telling you, I help you, man.
I got you, man. Why is one of these keys busted up?
What?
Man, I needed to have a little taste while you was going to go. I only had enough to keep myself fucking.
Shut the fuck up, man.
No problem. Yo, Mike, chill. Because baby.
Thanks a lot, Tony, man. I'm sorry for like blowing up and all that, man. It's cool, baby. No money, man. Sorry, man. Sorry for kissing on myself, everything in front of the home, man. Sorry for this. Why are you looking at me like that? Come on, man. Fuck you looking at me like that, man. Fuck you looking at me like that, bro. Don't fucking look at me like that, bro. Don't do it, man.
Why you do that shit anyway, man?
I don't know, it's because I have to.
That's bullshit.
It's not bullshit. It's not bullshit. Your bullshit. Your bullshit, man. Oh, my bad. Almost fucking forgot. You're my fucking half brother. What the fuck else have I got, Mikey, huh? I got no real family. My mother washed her hands of me the second she found me in the bathroom with a needle stuck in my fucking arm. Old man's been dead longer than I can fucking remember. So you can tell me what I got, Mikey. I got no job being able to keep up for the past 5 years. Last job I had, I got sick so many times and came in late, they fucking let go of me. I had to start stealing full time just to support my habit, you know? That's the same reason I started hitting myself with the feet. You know, I had to walk around with long sleeves all the time. You know, it gets a little messy with blood running out your shoe. What the fuck else am I gonna do, huh? You know how the fuck I do this, Mikey? You know why I shoot dope? Because I have to. It calls, I come. I do it. You ever know, if I don't, I get sick. You know what it's like to get sick, Mikey? You know what it's like to have your guts on fucking fire? You know what it's like to have the whole fucking world crawling and rubbing it down inside of you, and you can't do nothing fucking about it? Let me tell you something. There's no fucking day in the park, bro, looking at me like that. Fucking 2020 Mike. Yeah, you got eyes in the back of your head, alright? Let me tell you something. I tried to kick in the past 5 years 3 times already. First time, I went fucking clean. Wound up in a psych ward in Bellevue with so many cuts and bruises on my hands, my arms, my face. My own mother didn't fucking recognize me. Second time I tried a methadone program over there in Brooklyn. They got a waiting list that stacked up for like a whole year. So in between times, I had to do my best just to stay hot. When I finally did get in the program, I only lasted 7 for about 10 days. Big fucking deal, right? Third time I got into the program, I lasted 11 days. But then my homegirl, Patty, came to come pick me up. I had 11 days clean. And $60 in my pocket. And off we went to cop. We went and got 5 bags of dope and some cigarettes. And we shot them up just like that. And I remember the high I got from that shit just like it was yesterday. It was one of them Superman highs. I felt invincible, you know? It was one of them change the course of mighty rivers, leap tall buildings in a single bound, bend still with your bare hands kind of highs. And then I come down. And I'm in the mirror, staring at my face. And they ain't be looking at me. Only it wasn't you who was looking at me. It was myself. Stand back. Just look on his face. Who is this crazy, strung out, chunky motherfucker? It's not who it is, who I think it is. That's not me, right? It can't be who I think it is. I don't look like that, do I? This guy can't be me. He's too dangerous to be me. Too dangerous to be turned on society. But it is me. Just the way as I fucking know it. And what's the worst part? You know, this is the same way other people see you. Sure as shit. Just the way you look. The way people look at you. The way you're looking at me. Mikey? I don't feel so good, man.
Toy, stop fucking around, man. Come on. Yo, Toy, man, another walk, man. Come on. Yo, another walk, bro. Come on. Shit. Yo, Toy.
Yo, you ain't gonna make it.
Yo, don't say that, Tony. You don't sit there for, man. You gotta help me. Yo, walk, bro. You gotta walk.
He's already dead. Should look at yourself, Mike. You look like
Fuck you.
fuck with me.
What you say?
You heard what I said.
What the fuck is your problem, man? You coming off like you don't know me no more, man.
That's just it. I do know you, and you know what hurts me the most? You ain't changed a goddamn bit since the last time I fucking saw you.
How you sound right now, Tony?
Like, I know you're blind when it comes to the other people. Come on, man. Right now, it's time to begin stupid, alright?
Yo, look, Tony, you gonna help me or not? You're supposed to be helping me.
Supposed to? Hey, this is a bitch.
What are you talking about?
Supposed to be my dope! Yeah, you heard me. That dope you stole, shit was mine.
You said you wasn't working for Manny no more.
I'm not. I got my own franchise over there in Jersey. Manny's my supplier.
But you said you was out the life.
Come on, Mikey. What's in the life? Always in the life. You know the game.
I should have never trusted you, man.
All the scams, the flim-flams, Rikers Island.
Look, Tony, I need you to help me right now, man.
I want to, but besides killing you myself, I don't know what else I can do for you.
You gonna kill me, Tony? You gonna kill me, man?
That's what I had in my mind. Set on doing as soon as I came up here, but now I just don't know.
You don't know. Come on, man. You just now said you was gonna kill me. Me! Godfather to your firstborn. You remember me? Can't believe you about to shoot me for some dope, man. I know you want to have my life. We like family. Erasmus Hall, Rikers Island, the whole fucking nine, man. Too much crime, too much time. Like this. Now you standing there telling me it don't count? Like it don't mean nothing to you? Like I'm some kind of stranger, it don't mean shit to you? Man, I can't believe that. Man, shit, I know a lot of shit can happen in 2 or 3 years. Man, what the fuck happened to you?
The fucking world happened to me. I got a criminal record and the fucking world doesn't want any parts of me. Don't give a shit about me. Don't owe me nothing. Now, I have to do me, and I don't know anybody anything. Least of all you.
Yeah, except man, you owe him.
No
Motherfucker owns you.
You owe me.
Yo, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry about the dope. Look, maybe you could call Manny and maybe he could.
Manny ain't interested in hearing shit. You know that kid you shot up? That was his nephew.
It wasn't my fault. I mean, I ain't know.
Manny don't give a marvelous fuck if you don't know. He's sitting 3 blocks from here in the bar waiting to hear from me. So you see those 2 guys in the corner? I don't take care of you. They'll take care of you for me. This ain't Erasmus Hall. This isn't Rikers Island. This isn't Flint Flats. This is the life, Mikey. What do you think will happen to me if I don't come through? What do you think happens to Max? My little girl.
Max? They got Maxine? They got Precious? Shit. I'm sorry, T.
Shut the fuck up. You talk all this pretty shit about us being friends, but if you was really my friend, you go downstairs right now and handle your shit like a man.
I'm sorry, Tony. I thought...
You thought what? You could trust 9 lives? You could beat Manny? What's the problem, Manny? You don't fucking think. You don't. If you thought you would have never hooked up with this dead motherfucker here. Fucking junkie had enough heart to face the truth, but you 2020 Mike? Walking around like a fucking blind man.
You lied to me.
You lied to yourself. Thought you could trust a dope fiend just because he was your half brother? You didn't even know this motherfucker, man. Him and 9 lives is gonna set you up for 3 keys of scam. That's what they have planned for you, my brother.
Fucking funny.
Oh, but don't worry about 9 lives. You finally used dope and shit's up.
I ain't ready to die till you, Tony.
I ain't ready to die for you.
Look, I'll make a deal with you, bet?
Come on, Mike. Let's do a die time, man.
Yo, look, I'll go downstairs. So you gotta do something for me, man.
Fuck that.
Look, Tony, you gotta listen to me. Listen, I'm gonna make it downstairs. If I make it, I'm gonna need you to stall men for as long as you can, Tony.
I ain't even trying to hear you right now.
Tony, please. I'm begging you, Tony. Please don't kill me. Please, Tony, don't kill me, please.
Get up.
Huh?
Yo, I said get up. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing with this, man.
These boys, man. Too much crime. Too much crime, man.
Yo, what the fuck am I gonna tell Manny?
You know, just want to think of something.
Alright, if we're gonna do this, we gotta do it now, right?
Yeah, do it that time, right?
Yeah, right.
Alright, look, I'm gonna go check the roof. We go check the window, alright?
Yo, Mike,
Yeah.
take care of yourself, right?
Yeah, you get fresh to wake up.
Yo, Mike,
Yo,
what are you gonna do? They're still over there by the payphone, man.
yeah, I see them. I'm gonna jump out the window on the second floor from that.
Hey, yo, Mike.
Yo, what happened? Oh, shit!
Yo, you alright?
Yeah, I thought I saw a fucking rat.
You forgot your piece.
Fuck, it's dark down here. Yo, thanks, T.
Yeah.
What's going on? You alright? What the fuck is wrong with you? When I die, fuck it, I wanna go to hell. Cause I'm a piece of shit, it ain't hard to fucking tell. It don't make sense.